Hi guys, in front of me is REALME GT7 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, go down and mark Device Unlock. Now choose Fingerprint and select Fingerprint to enroll it. Tap on Agree, mark Next, and at first you need to set some pattern, pin code, whatever kind of passcode to make it kind of back up to your fingerprint. Obviously, if you already have one, just provide it to confirm. Tap on Next. So now just draw it, re-enter, and let's enroll fingerprint. Here we've got the sensors, so keep tapping till it's fully added. And once it is done, just click on Done. And that's it. From now on, you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.